Welcome to Health and Fitness with a new video. In today's video we will show you how eating an apple a day keep the doctor away. Quote. So watch the video till the end to get proper information. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Now let's begin. Apples are the cheapest and wholesome sources of nutrition available throughout the year. They are high in antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. That's why eating them may prevent chronic diseases of the heart, brain, GI tract, bones, and eyes. As per research and medical literature, apples are among the foods that show direct and strongest associations with decreased mortality. Apples predominantly contain pectin and quercetin. Pectin is a type of soluble fiber that may help ease digestion. Quercetin is a flavonoid that has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. All these reasons are behind the famous proverb, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." Health benefits of apples. These crunchy fruits have potent anti-aging effects. They may prevent age-related memory loss, skin troubles, and hair fall. Eating them in the right amounts may also reduce the risk of cancers. May aid weight loss. A cup of apple slices with skin has 2.6 grams of dietary fiber. Fiber slows down digestion, inducing a sense of satiety, fullness. According to studies, having more fiber-rich foods like apples is associated with the least amount of weight gain over time. Moreover, the glycemic index of raw apple and apple juice is about 36 ± 2, and 41 ± 2 respectively. Both these foods produce fewer and smaller spikes in blood sugar levels. This may lessen hunger pangs and prevent overeating. Thus, your weight gain would be in check. May promote digestion and gut health. Apples are rich in polyphenols, carbohydrates, and fiber. A major proportion of the polyphenols and fiber directly reach the colon. They are fermented by the good gut bacteria that survive on the derived energy. The fiber doubles up as a bulking agent. It retains water to cleanse and rectify the bowel movement. May reduce acne and treat aging skin. Flavonoids like florozin, apigenin, silymarin, and genistein naturally occur in fruits like apple, cherry, and pear. Florozin has been extensively studied for its anti-aging effects on the skin. 1 cup of raw apple slices with skin has about 5 milligrams of vitamin C. This vitamin rejuvenates your skin with its antioxidant effects. Therefore, topical and oral use of vitamin C-rich apples hydrates your skin, and may prevent skin cancers. May maintain brain health. Apple polyphenols may protect your brain from neurodegenerative diseases, like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's and age-related memory loss. Apple juice concentrate rectifies folate deficiency that could cause age-related neurodegeneration. It reduces the accumulation of proteins that trigger Alzheimer's disease. May protect your heart. A few studies relate high flavonoid intake to a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases of about 35%, particularly in women. Finnish research shows a similar relation between thrombotic stroke and apple consumption. They protect the heart and blood vessels from free radical damage that triggers most of the cardiovascular diseases. Have anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to diabetes, cardiovascular disease, irritable bowel disease (IBD), Alzheimer's, arthritis, asthma, Crohn's disease, etc. You can control the severity of such inflammatory diseases by adding apples to your diet. May boost eye health and vision. Vitamins A and C and quercetin protect your eyes from age-related degeneration and other eye infections. Carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin are vital for color detection in the retina. They are potent antioxidants too. Consuming foods rich in these components is the only way to maintain their levels in the macula of the retina. Red apples with skin are abundant in almost all of these micronutrients. They have lutein, carotene, vitamin A, vitamin C. Studies have proven the therapeutic effects of having these fruits on eye disorders, like cataracts and macular degeneration in the elderly. May be good for bones and teeth. Apples are great sources of minerals. They contain boron, potassium, calcium, and fair amounts of zinc, and these are necessary for bone health. While sugary apple juice may contribute to tooth decay, fresh apples are less likely to cause such problems. These fibrous fruits increase salivation and neutralize the acidic environment in your mouth. Chewing on them also lessens cavities. How many apples should you eat in a day? The fruit recommendation for children is age and gender dependent. It lies between 1.5 to 2 cups for most children over 4 years. For young adults and above, the dietary reference intakes dry for fiber is set to 25 to 30 gram per day. Considering fiber intake from other sources like vegetables, juices, and meat, eating 2 to 3 small-sized apples or 1 medium-large-sized apple a day seems ideal. In summary, apples are among the highest consumed fruits in the world. With a balanced and power-packed phytonutritional profile, these stone fruits may boost your immunity, stamina, vision, and memory. Ensure you eat at least 1 apple a day. It indeed keeps the doctor away. However, you first need to consult a health professional to understand its dosage and safety issues. You can also direct your queries, suggestions, or feedback to us. If you're new on the channel, then do subscribe the channel. If you love our video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, be sure to subscribe our channel, because more incredible content on the way. Thank you for watching Health and Fitness.